Good morning. Welcome back to my channel Take Charan. Today we're talking it's related communication and do you struggling to speak confidently? How to speak confidently? What if I told you you can practice speaking using AI even you are alone? But here is the good news. You can now use AI to practice communication every day. So many AI are there to help you to real perfect on the communication skills. ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, DeepSeek, you can use any of them and type something like act like a friend and have have a conversation with all those AI apps. Now read your answer out the loud. Don't just type and speak. This help you think faster, form sentence clearly, and build a natural flow. For example, second practice real life situation. For example, just in a job interview, talking to new people, explaining something at work, ask AI. Give me a mock interview, then answer out loud, and this build confidence real situation. You don't need to 1 hour. Just do this for 5 minutes. Pick one topic, speak out loud, and record yourself if possible. You will see improvement in just 5 days. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. Everything is possible. Simple tips. One more tips. Don't aim to be perfect. Aim to be clear. Confidence comes from the practice, not talent. If you want to improve your communication and grow faster using AI, let me break down. Subscribe the Tech channel, on my channel, and comment below what is your biggest struggle in speaking. I will deliver tips and importance. Speak slowly, edit, pause, and very important, look at the camera. Look at the camera. They're not like somebody else like that. Don't rush. No confidence. Speak better now. Thank you for watching my videos.